Baba, how does forgiveness work?
My son, that is a powerful question. Come, sit beside me under this old mango tree. You see, when I was a boy, much younger than you, I had a brother named Kojo. One day, we quarreled over a fishing hook. I had lost mine, and I took his without asking. He was so angry, he didn't speak to me for days, and I, full of pride, refused to say sorry.
What happened then?
We stopped fishing together. The river trips weren't the same. Silence replaced laughter. Days turned into weeks until one afternoon our mother fell ill. Kojo and I were the only ones at home. We had to work together to help her. It was hard, but in that moment, our anger felt small.
Did you say sorry then?
No words were needed. I handed him a carved hook I had made with my own hands. He smiled, and I knew we were brothers again. That was the day I learned. Forgiveness is not about who was right or wrong. It is about setting your heart free.
But what if someone really hurts you?
Then you must forgive even more quickly. Forgiveness doesn't make them right. It makes you whole. Holding onto pain is like carrying hot coal in your bare hands. You burn yourself even more than anyone else.
So, when I forgive quick before breaking my toy,
you free your heart from bitterness and you make space for joy to return. My boy, remember this. When you forgive your fellow, you thereby create the capacity in your own soul for the reception of the reality of God's forgiveness of your own mistakes.